Sony has been among the more prolific smartphone manufacturers over the past few years. Throughout 2016, the Japanese manufacturer unveiled 7 new smartphones, and at MWC this year, it introduced 4 more handsets. The top device in the latter bunch was the Xperia XZ Premium. With the XZ Premium, Sony promises unparalleled experience thanks to its revolutionary camera tech, excellent 5.5-inch 4K display and Qualcomm's latest silicon, the Snapdragon 835. Let's see if it delivers. Design. That's one big and gorgeous fingerprint magnet. The XZ Premium is a beautiful phone. It comes with a 5.5-inch display and a rather bulky chassis, but still feels quite comfortable to hold. The body is mostly glass and metal, and it feels satisfyingly solid thanks to its size and weight. There's just one aspect to this Xperia XZ Premium's design that we're not too keen on, and that's its susceptibility to fingerprints, courtesy of its otherwise stunning mirror-like finish. When it comes to the fingerprint scanner, it will be available outside the US only, as expected, and it's embedded in the power button on the right side. The same side of the phone also holds the volume rocker, which is placed above the power button and is far more comfortable to use than those of the Xperia XZ and Xperia XZs. The left side of the phone holds only the combined SIM and microSD tray. The bottom houses the USB Type-C port, and the top, the 3.5mm jack. When you look at the Xperia XZ Premium's front, you see a classic Sony design, bezels that are slightly on the big side, but also give the device a rather stylish formal look. Pair this with the impressive display and the dual front-firing speakers, and you have a truly great-looking handset that certainly catches the eye. Overall, Sony did a great job with the phone's looks.